going to do a viral math problem that has been circulating on social media for some time now. One of my co-workers asked me to do a video on this problem because when he used the acronym BODMAS, he gets 16 for the answer, and when he used BAMDAS, he gets 1 for the answer. Now he wants to know which one of the answers is correct. Before I start to solve this problem, I would love to talk about these two acronyms, BODMAS and BAMDAS. If you ask me what the B stands for, I will tell you the B stands for brackets, O half, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and last but not least, subtraction. So this is basically the order of operations. This is telling you what you should do first, second, and so on. The difference between BODMAS and BAMDAS is that for BODMAS you divide before you multiply, while for BAMDAS you multiply before you divide. So this is the difference between these two acronyms. Alright, I'm going to use BODMAS to solve this problem. So here we have 8 divided by 2, in bracket we have 1 plus 3. So since we should work out what is in the bracket first, I am just going to rewrite 8 divided by 2. In bracket we have 1 plus 3 is 4. So 8 divided by 2 times 4. 2 into 8 goes 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Therefore 16 is our answer when we use BODMAS to solve this problem. Now I am going to use BAMDAS to solve this problem. So the problem is 8 divided by 2. In bracket we have 1 plus 3. Alright, so we're going to use BAMDAS now. So 8 divided by 2, and as usual we work out what is in the bracket first. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Since we are using BAMDAS, we are going to multiply before we divide in this case. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 into 8 goes 1 time. Therefore our answer is 1 when we use BAMDAS, and when we use BODMAS our answer is 16. The correct answer would be 16 because when you have the same precedence you work from left to right. So 16 would be the correct answer because we work from left to right. So my friend, my co-worker, this is how we solve a problem like this. So I do understand your concern about getting two different answers, But in this case, 16 is the correct answer because you work from left to right. Because you Alright people, listen carefully. Alright. When we use, as I was saying before, when we use BODMAS, you divide before you multiply. And when you use BAMDAS, you multiply before you divide. So if you want to be on the safe side, right? If you want to be on the safe side, when you have a problem like this, where you ask to divide, then multiply, I would like to tell you that to be on the safe side, just work from left to right. Because look, if you use BAMDAS, BAMDAS is telling you that you should multiply before you divide. And you use BODMAS, you divide before you multiply. So it's like you have a tire. So any one of the operation can be done before. So the multiplication can be done before the multiplication can be done before the division, and the division can be done before the multiplication. So in this case, you should work from left to right. You get it? Left to right. Because BODMAS is telling you to divide before you multiply, and BAMDAS is telling you that you should multiply before you divide. So the correct thing to do is to work from left to right. Therefore, 16 is the correct answer. This is the end of another interesting and informative lesson. If you like this content, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, people. Yeah man, I'm out.